Okay, so the point of this little video is to teach a little bit about the distributive property. Distributive property is really just a way of multiplying. It's when you have a single number, like 5, and you're multiplying it by another number that happens to be broken into pieces. So for example, 2x plus 3. This says 5 times 2x plus 3, and when we do 5 times 2x plus 3, it's not okay to just do 5 times the first number, 2x. You have to do 5 times both pieces. So you start off with 5 times 2x, and then you're also going to do 5 times 3. And because there is addition happening between the two original terms, we bring that addition down, and this is what our next step looks like in our expression. 5 times 2x will simplify to be 10x, and 5 times 3 will simplify to be 15. Since you don't know what x is, you can stop there and leave your expression as 10x plus 15. Some people are having trouble with distributing a fraction, so let's try this one here. I have 1/4 times 20x minus 36, and again, 1/4 is a single number, and you're multiplying it by another single number that's broken into two pieces, the 20x and then the minus 36. So we're going to take the 1/4 and multiply it by the first piece, which gives us 1/4 times 20x. And then we're going to take the 1/4 and multiply it by the second piece, which is going to give us 1/4 times 36. Because we are subtracting here, we're going to bring that subtraction down, and this is what our second step looks like. Now this is the part that most people get nervous with, the fraction 1/4 times 20x. Whenever you have 1 over any number and you are multiplying, what's really happening is division. You're really taking the number that you're multiplying by and dividing it by the denominator. 1/4 of 20 is 5. So 1/4 of 20x is 5x. Similarly over here, 1/4 of 36 is 9, leaving us with 5x minus 9. Let's try one more. Here we have 1/3 times 12x plus 6. 1/3 times 12x looks like this. And 1/3 times 6 looks like this. And we are adding, so we're just going to bring that down. 1/3 of 12x would be 4x, and 1/3 of 6 is 2, leaving us with 4x plus 2 as our final answer. For those of you who are having trouble multiplying, let's do this 1/3 times 12. You may change it into a fraction, and to multiply fractions, you simply multiply the numerators and the denominators, giving you 12 over 3, which in the long run becomes 4. And that's why 1/3 times 12x is 4x.